My dear student, this session will see briefly about preparation of the solution for the limiting test of chloride and sulphate. So suppose if we are going to perform the limit test for chloride and sulphate, some modification have to be adapted for the preparation of the solution. Let's see in brief manner. So a specified amount of the substance is dissolved in distilled water and the volume made up to 50 ml of Nestle cylinder. So depending upon the nature of the substance, so particularly the given unknown substance, whether if it is alkaline substance or insoluble in nature, or that depends upon the salt of organic acid, or in case of colored or deeply colored substance or oxidizing or reducing substance. So depends upon the preparation, depends upon the inorganic substance, given unknown inorganic substance. So we have to do some modification. So how can we do modification? Let's see one by one. If in case of alkaline substance, so that alkaline substance have to be dissolved in acid so that effervescence ceases and much of the free acid is left in the solution as in the prescribed in the test. So if in case of alkaline solution, so first it is to be dissolved in acid, so the effervescence to be produced from the alkaline substance. So after that it is to be prescribed for the test solution. In case of insoluble substance, so what will do the modification mean? So in case of insoluble substance are generally extracted with water and then filtrate. The filtrate is used for the test. So in case of insoluble means first we have to treat with that water, then to be filtrate, that filtrate solution to be used for the test, because the presence of insoluble substance modify the appearance and color. So we need soluble substance. So if in case of any insoluble substance is there, that to be first treated with water, then filtrate to be used for the test. Next, what is that? In case of salt of organic acid means what we have to do the modification means, like for example for salts of organic acid, like sodium benzoate and sodium salicylate. So in case of these salts of organic acid, first liberate free water insoluble organic acid during acidification, which is filtered off, and then the filtrate is employed for the test. First we have to treat with the acid, so it liberate the water insoluble organic acid. So we can later we can perform the limit test for chloride and sulphate. Suppose in case of colored substance, for example crystal violet, malachite green, so these are having naturally these are colored substance. So this first carbonized and the hash so produced in extracted in water. So in case of deeply colored substance means what are the other modification we can perform? So that for example potassium permanganate is reduced by this, we already performed in the class also. So this we can first treat with ethanol or alcohol, then let them to heat it and filter. So this here the potassium permanganate get reduced into manganese dioxide, so the colored solution converted into colorless while we are treating with ethanol on heating. So after that colorless filtrate solution to be used for the performance. Next, reducing substance like hypophosphorus acid, which react with silver nitrate in the limit test for chloride should be oxidized with nitric acid or some other oxidizing agent before carrying out the test. Suppose in case of reducing substance, like example for reducing substance, hypophosphorus acid to be given to conduct the limit test for chloride or sulphate means, so first which react with silver nitrate in the limit test for chloride should be oxidized, that already we are going to add with nitric acid or sulfuric hydrochloric acid. So in order to prevent the precipitation of other acid radical, so later we can perform the limit test for chloride and sulphate. Thank you.